Hello guys, you are watching programming.earth. Welcome to our full JavaScript course. JavaScript is the world's most popular and widely used programming language. It has its presence in almost every area of software development and almost used everywhere. This JavaScript course has everything that you have been looking for and is suitable for beginner to advanced level students. From this course, you go from learning basic concepts of JavaScript to building your own project. You can see a linear progression of your journey from a beginner to an advanced developer. In this course, we will learn about Introduction to JavaScript and its advantages, how to set up JavaScript development environment and various VS Code extensions, data types and variables in JavaScript, control flow statements in JavaScript, different types of loops in JavaScript, different types of functions in JavaScript and how to use them, data structures in JavaScript, DOM manipulation and its function in web development, and we will work on a basic to-do application to apply all the concepts that we learned till now. And later we will go deeper into JS concepts like what is ECMAScript and its latest features, working with arrays and objects, asynchronous JavaScript concepts, arrow function, this keyword, and at last working with JSON and API using Ajax. At the end of the course, we will build a few projects so you can have a clear understanding and be a skilled JS developer.